What's good, YouTube? Hope we're doing good. In today's video, I'm going to be making a trade breakdown of two swing trades I took on my personal account. And with these trades, I was able to make around 7,600 euros in profit. One of the trades was taken on the 2nd of September 2024, and the other was taken 3 days prior to that. And I closed both trades on the 3rd of September 2024, which means both of the trades were swing trades. It was around a week and the other one was around 24 hours. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a breakdown of that. I'm going to explain my thought process of how I was able to hold the trade for almost a week and everything you need to know about. I took this trade on my funded account and I'm looking to make a video on that. So make sure you stay tuned. So sit back, take a note, take a pen. Let's get into the video.
Oh yeah, I stayed up, put my head on and I prayed up, I worked hard and never gave up, how the struggle motivated.
Alright, so we're live on the chart. This was the exit trade I took on the 2nd of September 2024, and the other one I took, it was on Wednesday, which is on the 28th of August 2024, and I ended up closing both of them on the 3rd, which was somewhere here. So I'm going to be doing a breakdown of this one. I'm not going to share that yet, but overall this is the one we're going to be doing the breakdown on. And mind you, my initial target was somewhere here, but I'll explain more on that later. So briefly, I'm going to show you my Discord. I actually posted this exact breakdown because I do my daily analysis here. So what I wrote was just like, been a minute since I posted, USDCAD started creating an internal push, hoping to give us something to capitalize on. So basically, this is literally the chart. As you can see, this is the before and the after is this. As you can see right here, USDCAD was strongly bearish until it got to somewhere here. So mind you, I know USDCAD is bearish, right? As you can see from the biggest push, right? USDCAD is bearish, but what I also saw was price tapped into something and started to create a bullish push. This was actually what I went with. Mind you, I know my overall structure is bearish, but there is a probability for me or a possibility for me to go with a bullish push to get to the bearish push, or until price confirms the bullishness. So basically what I mean is, what I want price to do for it to confirm 100% bullishness for me is price needs to break this initial high, right? Price needs to break this, which happened somewhere here, then create a pullback, which happened somewhere here, create a low, then break this. So technically, if price is to if price is to break this, I will be 100% bullish, meaning I wouldn't be looking for sales anymore. But right here, I was looking for buys and sells, right? So what we have is price tapped in here, created a high, created a low, created a high, created a low, so on and so forth, right? So the last push was somewhere here, which was the last supply and demand, and within the supply and demand, price created a doji, which I actually went with on Friday, right? This was the Friday, yeah. I actually took a trade here on Friday. I got stopped out and then it went to TP, which is sad, but it is what it is, right? So price tapped into here, tapped into this doji, right? Started to create a push. What I saw was after the push on Monday, right? Price came in. This was on Monday, right? Early morning. It created this doji right here. This doji. This was what I actually went with. When I woke up in the morning, I did my analysis. I saw this. I was like, price is definitely going to pull back to something, and my job is literally to find where it's going to pull back to. So I saw this doji immediately when I woke up, right? It was 8 a.m. in the morning and price created this. Price created the low. I needed price to break the 8 a.m. low. It was actually 7 a.m. but I just call it 8 a.m. pretty much, you get. So right here, so if I play, see, great. So right here, I already did my analysis, as you can see from the Discord. What I needed was price to break the low. Once price breaks the low, I'm going to go to the 5 minutes, which is where I normally take my entry from. So overall, I noticed price was turning temporarily bullish, and I went with the structural play, right? You got it? Good. So now I'm just going to play until the 5 minute boom. So around 10 o'clock, price broke the low, and I went straight to 5 minutes, which is where I look for my entry. And right here, boom, really sweet. Right here, price created the low, created the high, created the low. I needed price to break this, but if you noticed, you see this bullish candle that created this week. Price broke with this, but then when price tried to break with this bullishness, right, it created this wick. So what I need for price to do for me, in order for it to be confirmed, is for price to close body wise above that candle. I don't know if you get it. So normally most people, for most people, this is already confirmed, but for me it's not. So I need price to break this. So basically what I'm saying is, anytime price creates a high, then it wicks it. I need price to close above that wick, right? So which is literally what I'm saying. So right here, price tried to break it, then created a wick, went back in, and right here it broke here, but then we have this wick. So I need price to close above this. And if you check my day in the life, which I'm going to post right here, I actually recorded this live. I was waiting for price to close above the eye. So I was waiting patiently, and after a while, it took a while though. After some hours, boom, right here, price confirmed a bullish push for me. Immediately, price closed above here. I was literally looking for my entry. I was already set, bro. I was set and waiting for price just to pull back a bit, and then I get in. So I used this candle somewhere around this candle. That was my entry, and right here, my stop loss was around 5.5 or 6.5 pip. I'm not really certain, but I'm just gonna make it 5.5. I didn't use the fib actually because it was very clear. So this was my entry. I just waited for price to pull back, and like I mentioned, I actually vlogged this live, so you should go check out my day in the life and you'll see everything. So my target was 1 to 6 as always, as I already talked about many times. And what I was also looking for, since I already had a trade that I was holding for over a week, which was from here, my initial target was here. I knew for some reason price is going to get here. Overall, price did get here, but if I had held up to here, I would have been stopped out. Then price goes to my TB, so it wasn't really worth it, right? So basically, my target was 1 to 6. Price got there, and I held a little bit longer, and I closed around 1 to 8, which was somewhere around here. So I'm going to explain that in a sec. So I'm just going to forward this right now, and so you can see. Okay, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. So in here, I was already in the trade. Right? I was really happy. Right here, I think I was in a coffee shop. I was like, damn, okay, price is gonna go to TB, price is going to go to TB, but it didn't happen. It came back to entry, right? Came back to entry, and doing Asia, it came back again to entry. Literally, bro. I was so, I don't know. I mean, just it is what it is. So I couldn't do nothing. So right here, normally, right here around I normally close before I made adjustments to my strategy. I usually close my trade at around 10:30, 10:45, just so I won't have to hold over Asia, because the Asia spread is really not for me, because it's just so crazy, and you can get stopped out even without price getting to your stop loss. So before, I just don't hold over Asia, but I made a switch in my strategy last month, and I decided to start holding overnight, which is if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. So for this trade, I didn't get stopped out, and that was really beautiful. So I'm just gonna forward this, go to the 1 hour. I'm just gonna go to the 1 hour. 1 sec. Boom. So I went to the 1 hour. I'm just gonna forward so you can see. Boom. Right here around 6 o'clock. For some reason, I woke up, and when I woke up, I saw my friend texted me, "Look at you, card." For some reason, I woke up 2 minutes after he texted me. So when I checked, I was like, damn, okay, I'm in huge profit. I was like, it is what it is. Let me just chill. So after here, I didn't sleep. Since my target was 1 to 8, right? Price didn't get there yet. I think my friend got out right here, but I didn't. Right? I was still holding. And what price did was price went back to 1 to 2, bro. Price went to around 1 to 2. This was doing London section, and I was just right here sitting down. I was like, damn, what have I done? But overall, it went back up, and I was really, really grateful, right? So when it got here, I was literally monitoring. I was monitoring like a sniper, really, because after the consolidation somewhere, sorry about that. I think after the consolidation somewhere here, I think my stop loss wasn't 5 to 5. I think my stop loss was around 1 sec. My stop loss was around 6.5. That's why around 6.5. I'll show you in a sec on the live chat. But overall, I think this was it. Let's see. So around 1 to 8 was somewhere here instead. Great. So around here, I was literally monitoring, since this crazy pullback already got my heart pumping fast. Right here, I was monitoring in all time frames. So I was on a 1 minute, everything, just checking. So immediately I saw some kind of pullback, I just closed everything and I was done, bro. I was literally done. So overall, man, overall the trade was really beautiful, and I'm really grateful for this profit. Really grateful. So if I go back here 1 sec, I'm just going to confirm the stop loss. If you see right here, it was around 6.4 and 6.4, which is also 6.5, same thing. So pretty much this is the overall trade, but this is the breakdown. As I explained, price was bearish. I saw that price was temporarily switching to bullish, so I went with the bullish push. If you notice right here, after I got this trade, price actually confirmed bullish, which means I'm only looking for buys right now. I'm not focusing on sales no more. So that's the breakdown.
Before I end the video, I just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone watching my videos. It really means a lot to me. And if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, like this video if you learned something from it, and also share it to someone you think might be interested in such content. Thank you once again. Bless.